Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the detailed version for the tutorial of this watch, Casio AQ-230. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, now first, you can use the top left button to change the mode. So this one is the timekeeping mode, and then this one is the date, and then this one alarm, and then this one is the dual time. It has this one, the DL symbol on the bottom left, okay? And then this one is the stopwatch, and back to the timekeeping mode. Okay, now let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this, with the hour, minute and second and no dual time symbol on the bottom left. And then next, we will do the LCD check, and to do that, you can press these two buttons, and the trick is to press the adjust button first and then hold, and then press the mode button and then still hold until it shows the LCD check screen like this. So press and hold, and then press the mode button and hold both of them, and then we get this LCD check screen. Okay, and now you can press the top left button to move to the next screen, this one, and then next, and then next, back to the timekeeping mode. Okay, and now if you want to do the alarm sound check from any mode, you can press and hold the mode button like this, and it will give beeping sound. Okay, and yes, it will also change the active mode. And if you want to get back to the digital time, then you can press the mode button until we get to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next, let's set the digital time, and to do that, from this view, you can press and hold the bottom left button, the adjust button, and now we start with the setting for the second. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute if we press this one, the top left button. Okay, and if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay, now press the adjust button, the bottom left, and we get to the setting for the hour. So you can press the top left button to change the hour. So let me press and hold to speed up the process and set back to 23. Okay, now press the adjust button, the bottom left, and we are now setting the minute. So same thing, the top left button to increase the number, and let me set to 20, let's say 25. So sorry, already passing, so like this, 25, like this. Okay, and then press again the adjust button, and now the time format, you can select 12-hour format or 24-hour format using the top left button, and if done, you can press the bottom left and back to the timekeeping mode. 23, 31, 47. So now let's set the analog hands to follow that time. So now 23, 31. So yes, press this one, the right button. So now 30, and one press meaning 1/3 of a minute. So this one should be 21, and then 1, 2, 3, 20, 30. Sorry, 32, and then yes. Let's wait. When it reaches 20 seconds, it should be moving the same time. Okay, so now it's already pointing to the correct time. Okay, now let's move on to the next mode. Press the top left button, the mode button, and now is the calendar. And to set that one, you can press and hold the adjust button on the bottom left. And now we start with setting, this one is the month. You can use the top left button to change or increase the number. So let me press and hold and back to 12. Okay, and then next, press the bottom left, and now is the date. So the same thing, top left button to increase the number, and let me set back to 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then press again the bottom left, and now is the day of the week, also the same thing. Let me set to Tuesday, and press again the bottom left, and done for the setting of the calendar. And now let's move on to the next mode. Press the mode button, and now is the alarm. For the alarm, you can start by pressing the bottom left button to activate the setting. Okay, so now we can set the hour. So starting with the hour, you can press the top left button to change or to increase the number. So let's say 5, and then press the bottom left. So now we can change the minute, but the first digit. So let me set as 1, and then press again the bottom left. Now is the second digit for the minute. Let me set as 5, okay, using the top left button, and then press again the bottom left, and now is the feature that we want to activate. So is it going to be the alarm and signal, or signal only, or both not active? So this one meaning that both are active, alarm and signal. And then if we press the top left button, this one meaning that both are not active. And then this one is only the alarm without the hourly signal. And if we press again, now is only the hourly signal or hourly chime. Okay, so whichever you want. And for this video, let me activate both, so that the alarm, the top one, and the chime or signal, the bottom one, are active. Okay, and after that you can press the bottom left button, and done for the setting of the alarm and also the hourly signal or hourly chime. Okay, let's move on to the next mode, the dual time. Press the top left button. This one, hour, minute, second, and DL, meaning dual time. How to set the dual time is almost similar to the main time or timekeeping, but it's just that we cannot set the second. The second will follow the timekeeping second. So okay, for this one we can press and hold the bottom left button to start for the setting. And now is the hour. For the hour you can increase the number using the top left button. So yes, let me press the top left button, okay, and let's set as, let's say 10, like this, okay, 10 p.m. And then next press the bottom left to move to the next item to set, and that is the minute. So the same thing, use the top left button. So let me set now as 20, okay, 28, yes. And now press the bottom left button to move to the time format, and this one is 12-hour format. You can change using the top left button, okay, and let me set as 12-hour format, and then press again the bottom left, and done the setting for the dual time. And yes, that's all for the dual time. And now let's move on to the next one, the stopwatch. Press the top left button and we get to the stopwatch. And for this one, you can start, stop using the bottom left button. This one, start, pause, and then again continue, pause, continue, pause or stop. And then if you want to reset, just press and hold the bottom left button, like that. Okay, and that's all for the stopwatch. Done for the settings and operation for this watch, Casio AQ-230. And if you have any question about the setting and operation of this watch, don't hesitate to put in the comment below. And also if you have any other tips you might want to share with us, please put in the comment below. It will be very helpful for me and also for the other viewers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and have a great day.